Hello everyone, hopefully my next video or next few video, like in a while, it'll either be my next video or in a couple of videos, in a few videos after this one, or maybe the next video will be filmed on my GoPro, which I got today, but I'll get more into that later. So I'm going to show you how to make this cool Lego wind-up bulldozer. Take this stop sign piece. Now, stick a 1x3 plate across the top. Now, take a 1x2 jumper plate. Stick this 1x3 track on it. And you will have to make 2 of these, and I have already done that. Now, stick these on one on either side of the body, like so, of the stop sign. So that they align like that, like so. Now take another 1x3 plate, stick it in this hole here, and take a 1x2 jumper plate, put it in the front. Then stack 2 1x2 plates, and then put a 1x1 smooth tile on top, so it's like a column, like so. And push it on a flat surface to straighten it out. I know this seems a little crude, but it works. Stick on the cab in the back. Now take this 1x2 wing nut piece and stick it on the back stud. So that's the tutorial on how to make this cool Lego wind-up toy that is a bulldozer.